Ever run a business? Or maybe you're a freelancer juggling invoices and receipts. Then you know the struggle of managing your finances. Keeping track of every penny, separating business from personal, and dealing with bank fees, it's enough to make your head spin. That's where online business accounts like Qonto come in. They promise a simpler, smoother way to manage your money. But with so many options out there, a crucial question pops up. Where exactly is Qonto based? This seemingly simple question can be surprisingly important. It can impact things like regulations, customer support availability, and even the features offered. So, let's dive deep and find out where Qonto calls home. A Parisian fintech powerhouse. The answer might surprise you. Qonto is a French company, headquartered in the heart of Paris, the City of Lights. Founded in 2016 by two young entrepreneurs, Qonto quickly gained traction in Europe, becoming a favorite among startups and small businesses. But why Paris? Well, France has a booming fintech scene. The government actively supports innovation, and Parisians are known for their entrepreneurial spirit. This environment provided the perfect breeding ground for Qonto to flourish. Why does Qonto's location matter? Now, you might be wondering, does the location really matter? Here's why. Regulations. Financial institutions are heavily regulated. Knowing where Qonto is based gives you an idea of the rules and regulations they operate under. This can impact things like security, data privacy, and account protection. Customer support. If you run into trouble, you'll want to know where to get help. With a Paris base, Qonto's primary customer support might be focused on European time zones. However, they may offer multilingual support options. Features and services, regulations and market demands can influence the features offered by financial institutions. Knowing Qonto's European base might give you an idea of their focus on specific European needs, which might differ slightly from other regions. Beyond borders, Qonto's global reach. While headquartered in Paris, Qonto isn't just a European player. They've set their sights on becoming a global leader in online business accounts. They're actively expanding, offering services in several European countries and catering to an international clientele. The final takeaway. So, there you have it. Qonto is a French fintech company with a global ambition. Their Parisian roots offer a glimpse into their regulatory framework and potential focus, but their international presence ensures they cater to a diverse audience. Choosing the right online business account. While Qonto's location is a factor to consider, it shouldn't be the only one. Research features, fees, and customer support to find the best fit for your business needs. Remember, location is just one piece of the puzzle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.